What defines an era? Is it the art, the culture, or the technology? Usually, it's the weapon that ended it. Today, we're tracing the bloodline of human conflict, exploring the terrifying evolution of weaponry that turns simple hunters into masters of global destruction. Throughout history, weapons have evolved dramatically, reflecting technological advancements and societal changes. This exploration delves into the deadliest weapons from various eras, highlighting their impact on warfare and civilization. Beginning with the Stone Age, the earliest weapons were simple yet effective. The spear, crafted from sharpened stones and wood, became a primary tool for hunting and defense. Its reach and lethality allowed early humans to hunt large game, ensuring survival and establishing dominance over their environment. The spear's versatility made it a staple in early human societies, enabling both hunting and combat. As societies progressed into the Bronze Age, the introduction of bronze metallurgy revolutionized weaponry. The bronze sword emerged as a symbol of power, offering durability and sharpness that stone could not match. These swords enabled organized armies to engage in battle more effectively, leading to the rise of empires. The bronze axe also became a formidable weapon, used not only in warfare but also in daily life, showcasing the duality of tools in early civilizations. The Iron Age brought further advancements, with iron weapons becoming prevalent. The gladius, a short sword used by Roman soldiers, exemplified the effectiveness of iron in combat. Its design allowed for quick thrusts and close-quarter fighting, contributing to Rome's military success and expansion across Europe. Iron armor also provided better protection for soldiers, enhancing their combat effectiveness and changing the dynamics of warfare. The Middle Ages saw the rise of the longbow, a weapon that changed the dynamics of warfare. English archers, armed with longbows, could shoot arrows with incredible accuracy and range. The Battle of Agincourt in 1415 showcased the longbow's devastating impact, as English forces decimated French knights from a distance, altering the course of battles. The longbow's effectiveness led to its widespread adoption across Europe, influencing military tactics for centuries. As gunpowder emerged in the late Middle Ages, firearms began to reshape warfare. The musket, a smooth-bore firearm, became a staple on the battlefield. Its introduction marked the decline of armored knights, as gunpowder weapons could penetrate armor. The Battle of Naseby in 1645 demonstrated the musket's effectiveness, leading to a shift in military tactics. The development of flintlock mechanisms further improved the musket's reliability, making it a preferred weapon for armies. The 19th century introduced more sophisticated firearms, such as the rifle. Rifles, with their rifled barrels, offered improved accuracy and range. The American Civil War highlighted the rifle's lethality, as soldiers faced devastating casualties due to its precision. The mini-ball, a conical bullet, further enhanced the rifle's effectiveness, making it a game-changer in warfare. This period also saw the introduction of repeating firearms, allowing soldiers to fire multiple shots without reloading, further increasing their firepower. World War I marked a turning point in weaponry with the introduction of machine guns. These rapid-fire weapons could unleash a hail of bullets, resulting in unprecedented carnage on the battlefield. The Battle of the Somme in 1916 illustrated the machine gun's deadly efficiency, leading to staggering loss of life and changing military strategies forever. The trench warfare that characterized this conflict was largely a response to the devastating power of machine guns, forcing armies to adapt their tactics. The interwar period saw the development of tanks, which transformed ground warfare. Tanks provided mobility and firepower, allowing armies to break through enemy lines. The blitzkrieg tactics employed by Germany during World War II showcased the effectiveness of tanks in coordinated assaults, leading to swift victories across Europe. The introduction of armored vehicles changed the landscape of battle, making traditional infantry tactics less effective. World War II also witnessed the rise of aerial warfare. The introduction of bombers such as the B-29 Superfortress allowed for strategic bombing campaigns. The bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki in 1945 demonstrated the devastating power of aerial bombardment, ushering in the nuclear age and forever altering the landscape of warfare. The development of fighter planes also changed air combat, leading to dogfights that became iconic in military history. The Cold War era introduced a new level of lethality with the development of nuclear weapons. The atomic bomb, capable of mass destruction, represented the pinnacle of deadly weaponry. The threat of mutually assured destruction shaped international relations, leading to a tense standoff between superpowers. The arms race during this period saw the proliferation of nuclear arsenals, raising ethical questions about the future of warfare. In recent decades, advancements in technology have led to the development of precision-guided munitions and drones. These modern weapons allow for targeted strikes with minimal collateral damage, changing the nature of warfare. Drones, in particular, have revolutionized military operations, enabling surveillance and strikes without risking pilot lives. The use of drones in conflicts has sparked debates about ethics and the future of combat. As history unfolds, the evolution of weaponry continues to shape societies and conflicts. Each era's deadliest weapons reflect the technological advancements and strategic thinking of their time. From the simple spear to the complexities of modern warfare, the journey through history reveals the profound impact of these instruments of destruction on humanity. In conclusion, understanding the deadliest weapons from every era provides insight into the evolution of warfare and the relentless pursuit of power. As technology advances, the nature of conflict will undoubtedly continue to change, raising ethical questions about the future of warfare and the weapons that will define it. The legacy of these weapons serves as a reminder of the human capacity for both innovation and destruction, shaping the course of history in profound ways.